The state government's tough reforms on juvenile crime could become law sooner than expected. Changes to youth justice will be fast-tracked through Parliament in the latest attempt to target repeat offenders.
This 14-year-old was caught in the act, but still put up a fight.
Let go of me.
Under the government's new laws, the teen could be identified.
We cannot continue to kick the can down the road in somehow this hope that it's all going to get better. We have to get tough.
The naming and shaming of repeat offenders is one reform which will now be pushed through Parliament. Changes to the Youth Justice Act will be voted on next month.
Everyone can make a mistake, but not everyone can continue to make the same mistakes and go before the same courts and be let out time and time again to do the same things.
Detention will no longer be a last resort for the courts. Youths who offend on bail could also be jailed.
And we constantly conduct curfew checks, and we're constantly disappointed the fact these juveniles aren't adhering to the bail conditions.
The proposed reforms couldn't come fast enough for many locals. More than 60% of those charged with stealing a vehicle over the past 6 weeks have been juveniles. The government hasn't ruled out further changes and denies the laws are rushed.
I had hoped that the youth justice laws were in place by now, to be honest.
For many, there isn't a quick fix.
Ultimately, we've got to find real programs that stop this from occurring. Otherwise, it's just going to be a revolving door and a massive cost to taxpayers.
Some people can be turned around. The boot camps will be a great initiative for some people, but there are others who need to be locked away.
Claire Barnes, 7 News.